Friday night yet.
This is WGXA serving the city of Macon. I am Charlie Blaze, and this is your morning news. The weather for today is going to be a cold day, temperatures will be in the 50s, and now for the top stories. Friday Night Funkin', which is a game is now being discontinued after residents report that the game is now feeling bored and too hard for them to even beat the mods. So the creator of Friday Night Funkin' is now going to delete the game forever. Next, there will be a Halloween sale that will be taking place in the mall. There will be decorations, costumes, pumpkins, candies, and even a whole music playlist that is full of classic Halloween songs, so make you guys buy them before it runs out. And lastly, it was just announced that on Halloween Day, the moon will turn into a pinkish color which is similar to the lunar eclipse, so make sure you guys and your kids stay up to watch the moon change colors. I feel like this is going to be the best Halloween party ever. That's all I have for now. This is Charlie Blaze, signing off.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Macon Police Department. A law enforcement warning has been issued for the city of Macon and the entire state of Georgia. All residents in the city of Macon, get to your homes at approximately 7:19 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. All people 911 calls come in that a strange creature was seen roaming the streets of Macon. This creature have the following characteristics: black skin, a lemon head shape, pink eyes, pink teeth, creepy smile, and he can drop black goop. He can also make people get head trauma and brain damage. It is unknown if the creature is hostile or not. He was last seen entering the mall. Police officers are on their way to find the creature. It might be possible if this creature is related to a game, but it cannot be confirmed at this time. All residents are advised to get to your homes at this time. Lock all doors and windows. Barricade any entrance to block the creature from breaking into your house. If you see the creature anywhere near your area, call 911 immediately. If the creature break into your house, try your best to get out of the house. Stay safe, stay calm, and do not panic. Panicking will only make the situation worse. If you feel something like a ghost touching you, get to a room with no windows or a closet. If you hear any sounds coming through your ear, cover your ears with strong headphones. Stay tuned for more information on this situation. The following message is transmitted by the request of the Macon Police Department and the National Center for Missing Exploited People. An Amber Alert has been issued for the city of Macon at approximately 7:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. 3 people have been abducted in the city of Macon. The first person's name is Boyfriend, a white male, age 19, with light blue hair and black eyes. He was last seen wearing a white shirt with a stop sign, blue pants, red and white shoes, and a red cap. The second person's name is Girlfriend, a white female, age 19, with dark brown hair and black eyes.
eyes. She was last seen wearing a red dress and red fancy shoes. The third person's name is Pico, a white male, age 19, orange hair and white eyes. He was last seen wearing a green shirt with dark green sleeves, light brown pants, and red and orange shoes. The three people were last seen in the mall. The person who was responsible for the abduction is believed to be the Lemon Head Creature. Reports have also come in that the Lemon Head Creature is confirmed to be a part of the game Friday Night Funkin', which is the Lemon Demon. He was also seen killing people and corrupting them with his black goop. The Lemon Demon calls it the corruption. Once you've been corrupted, you will be a part of the corruption invasion. This is a very dangerous situation and should not be approached. All residents are strongly advised to get to your homes now. Lock all doors and windows. Barricade any entrance. Turn off all heating and air conditioning. If you see the Lemon Demon or the missing people anywhere near your area, call 911 immediately. If the Lemon Demon or one of the corruption zombies breaks into your home, get out of your house now. Stay safe, stay calm, and do not panic. Panicking will only make the situation worse. Stay tuned for more information on this serious situation.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Macon Police Department. A civil danger warning has been issued for the city of Macon and the entire state of Georgia. All residents in the city of Macon, get to your homes immediately. It was now been confirmed that the Lemon Demon has now corrupted 100 people in the city of Macon, and it was confirmed that the three missing persons, which is boyfriend, girlfriend, and Pico, are now a part of the corruption. These zombies are corrupting people with their black goop and their whole body becomes corrupted, and no longer human. These zombies have black skin, pink eyes, pink teeth, and can hide in the dark. The location of the Lemon Demon is currently unknown at this time, but these zombies are spreading out in the city of Macon, and can also travel into different countries. All residents are strongly advised to get to your homes immediately. Lock all doors and windows. Barricade any entrance. Turn off all heating and air conditioning. Turn on all the lights in your house, so that the zombies won't be in the dark. If you see the Lemon Demon, or the zombies anywhere near your area, call 911 immediately. If the Lemon Demon or one of the zombies breaks into your home, use any weapon at all time. This includes legal force. If you don't have a weapon at your position, get out of the house immediately. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
I just woke up from a dream where you and I had to say goodbye. And I don't know what it all means, but since I survived I realized wherever you go, that's where I'll follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow, so I'ma love you every night like it's the last night, like it's the last night. If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you. If the party was over and our time on earth was through, I'd wanna
following message is transmitted by the request of the Macon Police Department. A civil emergency message has been issued for the city of Macon and the entire state of Georgia at approximately 1:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It was now been confirmed that the Lemon Demon has the ability to control people's minds and movements, and he forced the people to join the corruption. If the people said no and tries to run away, the Lemon Demon will either control their movements on joining the corruption or control their mind to transform into a corrupted zombie. There are more than 300 corrupted zombies in the city of Macon. Police officers are trying their best to kill the Lemon Demon and the corrupted zombies. If the police doesn't stop and kill the zombies, they will have to call in the military to help them kill all the corrupted zombies and save boyfriend, girlfriend, and Pico. The location of the Lemon Demon is currently unknown at this time, but it is still advised to not go near the Lemon Demon. All residents are strongly advised to lock all doors and windows, barricade any entrance with strong materials and strong wooden boards to block the corrupted zombies, turn off all heating and air conditioning, make sure you keep all your lights on during this time. If all the lights in your house are not on, the corrupted zombies will spawn in the dark and corrupt you immediately. If you see the Lemon Demon or the corrupted zombies anywhere near your area, call 911 immediately. If the Lemon Demon or the corrupted zombies breaks into your home, get out of the house immediately. Stay tuned for more information on this serious situation.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Canadian government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At approximately 1:30 p.m., the Lemon Demon, a character from Friday Night Funkin', have reached into our country. He used his new ability, teleportation, from the United States to our country, and he has already corrupted 100 people in Canada. All of these zombies are corrupting residents one by one, and they are continuing to corrupt the entire state of Canada. Including the government, the Canada police officers and military are on their way to kill all the corrupted zombies to save the country of Canada. The location of the Lemon Demon is currently unknown at this time. All residents are strongly advised to get to your homes immediately, lock all doors and windows, barricade any entrance during this time, turn off all heating and air conditioning. If you see the Lemon Demon or the corrupted zombies anywhere near your area, call 911 immediately. If the Lemon Demon or the corrupted zombies breaks into your house, get out of the house immediately. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
Le message suivant est transmis à la demande du gouvernement canadien. Ceci n'est pas un test. Je le répète, ce n'est pas un test. Vers 13h30, le démon Citron, un personnage de Friday Night Funkin', est entré dans notre pays. Il a utilisé sa nouvelle capacité, la téléportation, des États-Unis vers notre pays. Il a déjà corrompu 100 personnes au Canada. Tous ces zombies corrompent les résidents un par un et continuent de corrompre l'ensemble du Canada. Le gouvernement, les policiers et les militaires canadiens sont en route pour tuer tous les zombies corrompus afin de sauver le pays. L'emplacement du démon Citron est actuellement inconnu. Il est fortement conseillé à tous les résidents de rentrer immédiatement chez eux, de verrouiller toutes les portes et fenêtres, de barricader toute entrée pendant cette période, d'éteindre le chauffage et la climatisation. Si vous voyez le démon Citron ou les zombies corrompus à proximité de chez vous, appelez immédiatement le 911. Si le démon Citron ou les zombies corrompus entrent par effraction dans votre maison, sortez immédiatement. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations sur cette situation dangereuse.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Australian government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At approximately 2 o'clock p.m., 6 unidentified corrupted zombies were seen in our country. The Lemon Demon has also corrupted 50 people in Australia. The description of the 6 unidentified corrupted zombies has been identified. The first zombie has purple skin, wearing a black jacket, black pants, black shoes, and can grow wings. The name of this zombie is Daddy Dearest. The second zombie has the similar description of Daddy Dearest, but has a red shirt behind the jacket, and can summon her henchmen. The name of this zombie is Mommy Me Rest. The third and fourth zombies are a skeleton and a pumpkin creature, and can do their famous dance called the Spooky Dance. The names of these zombies are Skid and Pump. The fifth zombie is a glitch zombie, that can spawn pixel glitch zombies in the real world. The name of this zombie is Senpai, and the sixth zombie wears their army suit, and can spawn a tank that fires corruption poop. The name of this zombie is Tankman. These zombies are from the video game and Friday Night Funkin'. The Lemon Demon has now confirmed that he has corrupted all of the characters from Friday Night Funkin', and he is continuing to corrupt the entire world. All residents are strongly advised to get to an underground shelter immediately. Gather the necessary supplies for your shelter, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, first aid kit, a fully charged cell phone chargers, and a battery power or hand crank radio. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Macon Police Department. A shelter-in-place warning has been issued for the city of Macon and the entire state of Georgia. All residents in the city of Macon seek underground shelter immediately at approximately 5:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The entire population of Macon has fallen. The Lemon Demon has almost corrupted the entire state of Georgia, and he is going to corrupt the entire world. The military are struggling and having a hard time killing all the corrupted zombies. It isn't known if the Lemon Demon will have a bomb that will be placed in the city of Macon, but it cannot be confirmed at this time. All residents are strongly advised to get to an underground shelter immediately. Gather the necessary supplies, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, first aid kit, a fully charged cell phone chargers, and a battery power or hand crank radio. If you see the Lemon Demon or the corrupted zombies anywhere near your area, call 911 immediately. If the Lemon Demon or the corrupted zombies breaks into your shelter, get out of the shelter and run away as fast as possible, and don't look back. Continue to monitor local media outlets for further information on this developing situation. The following message is transmitted by the request of the Macon Police Department. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. All residents in the city of Macon, evacuate the country immediately. A bomb was placed in the center in the city of Macon, and it is expected to detonate within the next 10 minutes. This bomb is a nuclear bomb, and it is filled with black corrupted goop, meaning that the entire country of the United States will be covered with corruption, and everyone will join the corruption. This is a very dangerous situation. The military are having a hard time killing all the corrupted zombies. All residents are strongly advised to evacuate the country immediately. Gather the necessary supplies for your safety, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, first aid kit, a fully charged cell phone chargers, and a battery power or hand crank radio. The bomb squad has been called in order to defuse the bomb. If you see the Lemon Demon or the corrupted zombies anywhere near your area, call 911 immediately. If the Lemon Demon or one of the corrupted zombies breaks into your shelter, get out of your shelter shelter and run as fast as possible. Do not go near the Lemon Demon. You can still control your mind and movements. Stay safe, stay calm, and do not panic. Panicking will only make the situation worse. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. Administrative message. The following message is transmitted by the request of the Macon Police Department. All clear. I repeat, all clear. The bomb squad has successfully defused the bomb in time, and the military has successfully killed all the corrupted zombies, including the Lemon Demon. All of the people who were corrupted by the Lemon Demon has successfully been freed and turned back to normal, including the Friday Night Funkin' characters, such as Boyfriend, Girlfriend, Pico, Daddy Dearest, Mommy Mirest, Skid and Pump, Senpai, and Tankman. They are thanking the military for saving them, and the entire country, including Canada and Australia, and they are going back to their world. You are now free to leave your shelter. It will take approximately 7 years to repair all the damage that the Lemon Demon and the corrupted zombies caused. The military are going to clean off the black, corrupted goop that was spread all over the city of Macon. We like to thank the military for saving our country, and your government thanks for your cooperation. We thank you for participating in the emergency alert system. Normal programming may now resume.